Leidos Airborne Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance. We provide a full spectrum of global aviation solutions. A trusted logistical partner, delivering rapid responsiveness and leveraging decades of operation and technical integration expertise. We are redefining what is possible for our customers, while offering affordable solutions that do more without costing more. A team of highly trained technical professionals with extensive mission expertise. A history of providing superior mission system integration capabilities, complete operation support, and rapidly configurable ISR solutions. An industry leader in the exploitation of ISR sources for critical intelligence, providing both onboard and remote operations for processing exploitation and dissemination through beyond line of sight and line of sight data links. Our worldwide capabilities enables our customers to execute their global mission, providing operational services for both government and Leidos-owned aircraft and solutions. Leidos, providing global full-spectrum airborne solutions.